finally got it working again. I'm gonna be sending the car down to Florida in May, so that's gonna be a whole adventure. I'm gonna be out there for a couple of days. We have a drifting event, and it's just a vacation for me, so I'm super excited. I really miss not driving the car. I'm really happy I have it back. But yeah, it's just I haven't really done much to the car. I've been fixing everything. I actually sent it to a dealership, or not a dealership, it was more of a performance shop. Compression is good on all cylinders, and pressure was all right. They pressure tested it, and it did have a little bit of a leak on some cylinders, but nothing significant, which I'm really happy about. So it is what it is. I mean, I hope it lasts us this whole year. If we can slide it, drift it, and beat on it, that's all that matters. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
1 hour later.
So all these 6 bolts came out no problem. This one and that one are both super messed up. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm thinking to do, I popped the ear out already, or the axle, without disconnecting this, like on this side. So I'm gonna pop it out the ear and slide it that way. I haven't drained it. I'm not gonna drain it, and I'm hoping that I don't make a mess. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. But both the axles are pretty much shot, so I'm gonna replace the axles. I have the brand new diff right there, so we're gonna see if this works.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so we got one of the axles out, but the other one didn't want to come out. We stripped it, so we're gonna look for a 33. It's either a 33 or 32 12-point socket. It's a really weird socket. We're gonna go to Michael's real quick, see if he can SOS us, save our souls, and we'll find it. So we cut it out, didn't work, got a 30. So the 32, was it a 32 or 33?
33 originally.
33 6-point socket fit on there, but now it's not fitting on there. We tried a 33, or what was it, a 32?
32 12-point.
32 12-point, not fitting on there. These are aftermarket axles for sure. So it's supposed to be a 36, but it's not a 36 at all. Yeah, I don't know. This is confusing. So I'm done messing with this axle for today. We're putting in the camber arms. We're trying to get as clean of a fitment in the rear where we can run 0 or like 1 at most, maybe 2 degrees of camber. So I'm trying to line it up. It's kind of dark, so I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to tell, but try and get it as flush as possible with this rear, so that way we'll have -4 in the front, then negative like 1 or 2 at the most in the rear, and that way they wear down more evenly. But we haven't been able to put the diff in yet. Like Brian's calling. What's up, bro?
You do, bro?
Still working on the car.
It's me, Pablo's brother-in-law.
Alright, so for tonight we're basically done. We couldn't get the diff in. This axle didn't want to come out. That lower control arm is messed up. The bolt won't come out. It's like stuck in there. We were able to put this one in. And the fitment, I don't know if you guys can tell, or camera can really pick it up, but it's in at like -1, maybe 2 degrees of camber. And the only thing I'm afraid of is with the other tires, my drift spares, to make sure it fits. It looks like it's gonna fit, but I'm not sure. So we'll see what happens. We're done for tonight. It's been a long night. We've been working on the car all day. Over it.
1 eternity later.
So here's a little update. It's a couple days later. Diff's in, axle's in, lower control arms in on the driver's side, and then the passenger side is the one I've had issues with. So I got the camber arm out, which was really bent. The axle won't come out, and that broke. The lower control arm was bent, so it snapped off. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now.
speed bump.